How to apply for New Jersey law enforcement. 7 key steps. In this video, we'll explore the frequently asked questions about applying for an entry-level law enforcement position in New Jersey. Over the next few minutes, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of how to apply, free resources available to you to prepare for the exam, and the interview and selection process. Using this guide will help you understand exactly what you need to do. Step 1. Search for available positions. To begin your search, go to the New Jersey Civil Service Commission website at nj.gov/CSC. Click on Find a Job and then click on Job Announcements. Next, click on View Open Competitive Announcements. Then, filter the list by typing police, or sheriff, or correction, or parole in the search box. Using this search criteria will return results across many law enforcement positions, which are not limited to municipal police officers. Other titles in a given test cycle may include County Police Officer, Park Police Officer, Campus Police Officer, Police Officer Human Services, Police Officer Palisades Interstate Park, State Park Police Officer, Sheriff's Officer, County Correctional Police Officer, Correctional Police Officer, Correctional Police Officer Juvenile Justice Commission, Parole Officer Recruit, and Parole Officer Recruit Juvenile Justice Commission. Note that not all of these titles may announce in a given year. To view the announcement from the search results, click on the magnifying glass to the left of the title listing. Remember, you can also filter announcements by location, job title, and other criteria to narrow down your search as necessary. Step 2. Review job requirements. Before applying, carefully review the job information on the announcement to confirm you meet the requirements. For most entry-level law enforcement jobs, as of the closing date listed at the top of the announcement, you'll need to be at least 18 years old, be a legal resident of the jurisdiction you list as your residency as of the announcement closing date and as of the appointment date for some jurisdictions, have a high school diploma or equivalent, be a citizen of the United States, and meet all the requirements for the position. Step 3. Complete the application form. Once you've selected the position, the next step is to complete your application. Use the Click Here link at the bottom of the announcement to go to CSC's online application system. Fill out the online form with your personal information, work history, education, and any other requested details. Be sure to double-check all information before you submit. Any mistakes or missing details could delay the application process or disqualify you from consideration. Some positions may require additional documents, such as your proof of education. If required, be sure to upload these documents during the application process. Applications require a small fee to complete the process, and the system will accept your payment through a secure online portal. Please be sure to submit your application no later than 4 p.m. on the closing date. You will not be able to apply after 4 p.m. on the closing date. Once your application is successfully submitted, you'll receive a confirmation email, which includes a notation of your fee payment. Be sure to save this email for future reference. Step 4. Prepare for the Law Enforcement Exam, or LE. If you've completed the application process properly and meet the requirements, you'll be notified of the date, time, and location of the LE once your application has been processed. The next step is to prepare for the Entry-Level Law Enforcement Exam, or LE, which tests your knowledge and skills related to the job. The LE is a critical step in the process. You'll need to prepare for it. The New Jersey Civil Service Commission offers a free, self-paced online course to prepare applicants for the LE. To register, go to CSC's website at nj.gov/CSC and click on the Find a Job dropdown. Then click on the Lee Prep Course link to take advantage of this free resource. Be sure to keep your email and mailing address up to date with the Civil Service Commission so you receive all notifications. To do so, go to CSC's website at nj.gov/CSC, click on Find a Job, and choose Address Change from the drop-down menu. Step 5. Take the law enforcement exam. Make sure you arrive at the test on time and bring the required identification. Just remember, you're not permitted to have a cell phone within the test center. If you are found to have a cell phone, you will be disqualified from the testing process. Step 6. Await results and certification list. After you've taken the Lee, you'll receive your results. If you're eligible and pass the exam, your name will be placed on an eligibility list. This list is used by law enforcement agencies to certify qualified candidates for consideration. When a law enforcement agency is ready to hire, they notify the civil service of their available vacancies. Civil service certifies the required number of names from the available eligible list. This is called a certification list. But be advised, placement on the certification list does not guarantee a job offer. You'll still need to go through the pre-employment process within the hiring agency. If your name is certified for appointment, Civil Service will send you a notice of certification. You must contact the hiring agency to confirm your interest in the position and provide required information. Make sure you respond to this notification in the required time frame to remain on the eligibility list. Step 7. Interview and final selection. Once you confirm your interest, the hiring agency may provide you with information on the pre-employment process. After the pre-employment process, the agency will make their final decision on who to hire. If selected, you'll move forward with the final onboarding requirements, which will include a psychological and medical exam. And that's it. The application process for law enforcement and public safety jobs in New Jersey is straightforward, but it requires preparation and attention to detail. Make sure you follow each step carefully and stay updated on job openings. Complete information, as well as answers to frequently asked questions, can be found on the Civil Service website at www.nj.gov/CSC. A link to the entry-level law enforcement examination FAQ can be found in the notes below, as well as information regarding CSC's Law Enforcement Mentoring Program. The New Jersey Civil Service Commission wishes you the best of luck in your pursuit of a career in law enforcement.